Um, so I prepared a list. I don't know if this uh, makes any sense. Oh yeah, let me pick up the uh, I think I need those two. Yeah. Um, I'll just add the sort here, and maybe move this search bar inside here. And let's see how that goes. But then on top I won't have anything. So I wrote down some plan for today. On my to-do list, um, I have, I think, 3 things left to do. And it's, first of all, I have to get the address of the user somehow. Let's say, like, I have this inside my card, I have this, I'm ready to pay. So I need to show small info on, like, get the address on, like, if the person already has purchased stuff, um, they can choose to use the previously used address. If not, they can, or indicate a new one, basically. Then I have to make this image gallery working with, like, some arrows around here, and maybe make this a little bit bigger. When you click on it, it just opens a little bit. Maybe work on the size of this thing and push it more towards this side. Yeah, I think I forgot one thing, because I know the amount of things that are going to be available are going to be limited, because this is like so I think that there should be like a number here that says that this are how many pieces left. Yeah, maybe add some behavior on hover also, like some shadow, I guess. Oh yeah. Items left. Yeah. Really need mine. Do they have it somewhere? Price, add to cart. Maybe right under the title. Right under the title. And here I should add the amount of people who have voted. Okay. And once I have this set up, I move to the backend. So in the backend, I should be able to buy an item, get the list of items, review an item. So the reviewing an item, yeah, that's also something that I have no idea how I'm gonna implement. Um, maybe have, yeah, I think I'm gonna move this thing down. Add, maybe add two buttons. Uh, that are gonna, hmm, or just make this review this thing here. So if I have the item, I can review it. Um, if I have purchased the item, I can review it. If not, I cannot. Uh, and then same thing here to write a review. I don't like how this looks. Do I like it? I don't know. I just woke up. It'll take me some time to reach full speed. Yeah, and we'll have to find a way to. Oh yeah. And currency. I'll need a drop down like this one. I don't seem to find a good way. Yeah, maybe. Let me select the options. I'll just put them a little bit up, like 0.5 instead of 1 EM. Maybe that's gonna, yeah. Doesn't look like anything, and maybe the whole hover thing can be a little bit lighter. Way lighter, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, so let's go from the easiest to the hardest one. Add sort here. So inside my sorting part, I just need to say sort at some point. I have my multi-select, and then I'm just gonna add span, and just say sort by. Yeah. Da, 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 da. I don't know why there is no music anymore. Okay. What else? Inside here, I'm just gonna say that the span has a margin right of 1 EM. 0.5, I think 0.5 is good enough. Yeah. And do this for the color. See, maybe a little bit smaller, and font size smaller. Yeah, and then do 1 E, maybe 1.5. Yeah, I don't know. I just fiddle around. So yeah, inside the nav bar, I said that this thing is just gonna go away. Let's see if this works. Yeah, this works great. And then I'm just gonna throw it inside. So right underneath these, above the sword thing. So right above this, I'll just throw it here, and then let's see if this is. I don't think this is gonna look good. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna create a component out of this because it's like still very search not JS, and then do this search yeah. What I did also, it wasn't on camera. I added the whole. Oh, how did this happen? Oh yeah, I think I know. It's this. You just have to say this so that it doesn't take into account all of them, and then I'm just gonna do this and manager, and yeah. So inside here, I'll just get sort search equals common search, yeah, and throw it above. Come on, where are you? Yeah, right here. Do search and manager. So this hasn't changed anything. I'm just gonna yeah, remove it from here. Shopping cart, search bar. Yeah, this thing, and just create its own file also. Search bar.scss, and throw this inside and use it here. Use components search bar. Yeah, and fix this. So the whole position absolute goes away. Top 20%, left 20%. This just goes away, and then let's give it a width of 100%. Yeah, that's good. And then a margin. Do we have a margin top? Of 1 EM. I think one EM might be too much. That's good. 1.5. Yeah. So I was thinking to do something fancy with this bar. So when you start scrolling, you pass by, but then when you scroll back up, it just like pops into view. Because like if you're far away and you wanna, I don't know. Anyways, next. I haven't done anything that's on the list, by the way. Let's do currencies. That's gonna be easy because we already have the component. So inside the nav bar, I'm just gonna const multi select equals require multi-select, and then yeah, I'm gonna have to create a component called currency. That's gonna be a function that's gonna get I think the name, maybe name image, name and image. Yeah, and it's gonna return it's just gonna be a div that's gonna contain so the image emg src equals this, and then image name image. Yeah, I think this is good enough. And then a span, that's gonna be the name. Yeah, and then when you the value it's gonna be equal to name, and then we'll return the element. So with this, I can create a list of currencies that I'm gonna use. So let's say currency. Yeah. So I'm just gonna create currency, and I give it a name. Oh, I really don't know how to spell currency. Yeah, with a big C, and then do the same here. So let's do like item. Let's not give it a damage for now. Currency name euro and currency SIF. I have to check what the names are. Oh yeah, it's row one. I always. Let's do cosmos, which is atom. I think I can just steal them from somewhere for now, the images. So I have this, and then inside. So right here, I'm just gonna do a multi select, and then values is gonna be my currencies, and then the default value is gonna be null. Let's do null, or like I'm just gonna do 0 for now, because I have to rework on this. I made it very specific to this here. So let's see how that works on this one. Yeah, this looks somewhat good for a first test. Yeah, I don't know why this is so weird. Yeah, I think it's because the nav bar doesn't have align items center. Yeah, and that's good enough. Cool. And let's okay. Item center, and then what else do we want? We want the multi select to have a margin left to auto. Push myself towards the, and then Z index of like 5 or something. Yeah. I have no idea why this is shown like this. Let's see. What's its problem? Yeah. Inside here, I think this thing. So if I have default value, I'm gonna use it. Else I'm just gonna use values 0. That's good. And so inside my nav bar, yeah, I'll remove this thing. And then I don't know why the fuck does this thing. Why is this one empty? I have no clue. Yeah, I think it's this thing here. So if I don't have a default value, this thing, I'm just gonna say and default value. Let's see if this fixes stuff. Seems to be fixing one thing, not all of them. Trying to understand why the fuck is this one empty? The first one. Oh yeah, I think I have to do clone node true. This might fix this nonsense because I'm appending. Yeah, cool. Just that's good. I just have to let's give this open, and then so I can see the before here. Oh yeah, and inside the multi-select thing, I can just use and say this div, the first one that is inside. Yeah. So those things are fixed, and then I'll just go inside my inside the. Let's see. I hope that this did not change anything. Yeah, this is still good. I can go around, change stuff. Cool. So inside my navigation bar, default. So even if it has I don't remember. So I just want to remove this thing from the head. I'll just do head and then transparent. So hopefully, because this is more precise, didn't do anything. And yeah, this doesn't seem to be working very well. I don't think. What the fuck? Oh yeah. Nav bar. Oh yeah. and then give it the default color. Yeah, this one. I can just add this one here, remove this, and then get this and put it inside my navbar. And yeah, this seems to be working. No. Oh. Yeah, now I'll just do transparent on this one to keep it simple. Yeah, and then we can say that so the div inside is gonna have a display flex and align in items center and maybe a this is taking way more time than I expected. This for some reason I feel like there's more space underneath than above. That's fine. Okay, let's go get some icons. Atom. Yeah, just gonna steal them from this, I guess. Yeah. Copy image address and then go to our nav bar and just throw them in here one by one. So this is first. Let's find the others. Sif chain, and then just do this. Yeah, I don't even have it. Oh yeah, I have it. What else? This one is such a bad one. That's fine. I can always come on. Yeah. what the fuck is happening? Yeah. Okay. So if I do this, yeah, I'll just have to say that the images here are gonna have a width of 1 em and a height of 1 em and an object fit contained and a border radius of 100%. Yeah, and maybe make this like a little bit bigger. 1.5, 2 sounds good. No, nope. 1.5. And for some, yeah, inside the options, div, I'm just gonna say that the before display options div and before. Okay, so going back to the navbar, options div before and before. This is gonna, yeah, this is way better. And then I'm just gonna do this side here. I'm just gonna give it like a class of currency item, and then inside my navbar I'm just gonna say that remove this because it's useless, and then just say that my currency item is gonna be display flex and justify content center aligning item center and background color red. That's weird. Yeah, this is good. Now this looks like something EMG margin right 1 em 0.5. It's not centered. That's what's bothering me right now, is that this thing, the span, center and height 100%. That helps somehow. Ah, this is very. For some reason, this is like misaligned completely. That's fine. I don't know why the fuck does this thing has the. Oh yeah, I know. It's because of the default thing. Um, so I'm just gonna say that. Also, the border color is gonna be this. Yeah. That's good. Does it look like something? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Let's get some inspiration from memories. Oh fuck. Sorry guys. What's happening here? I don't know if you can see my screen. Oh yeah, okay. I thought. I don't know. Do you guys think it's fine if I steal those? Yeah, not great. For some reason, this thing is not working very well for me right now. Yeah, that's fine. But, we can move to the next thing. I can check out currencies somewhat. I have to be able to change the currency that is shown here. So I'm gonna do once again a very bad thing, which is I'm just gonna go here and then inside my multi-select, this one, just gonna create currency is equals this. So I'm gonna create my multi-select, append it here, and then I'm just gonna say currencies dot events. So subscribe. I'm gonna subscribe to the change event, and this is gonna give me a currency basically, and I can just do event manager emit, and then I'm just gonna emit change currency, and then with the currency dot value, and then do a console log of this cur value. For some reason my laptop is just dying right now. So if I do this, I should see Juno inside my console. Cool. And if I do Juno again, yes, it's still Juno. That's good. That's amazing. Let's remove this, and then I think inside the index, I'm just gonna do event manager subscribe. So this thing is like basically yelling at everyone, hey, the currency changed. So anything that needs to show the currency, let's see how many things. So add to cart, this part needs to change. What else? This here needs to change, this here and this here, and that's it, I guess. Maybe add, I don't know if they have the currency on the min and max. Yeah, they do have it. Maybe add this here, like have that's weird. It's very weird that you can go negative even if I've said that. Yeah, anyways, I'll have to work on those for now, but that's fine. Just gonna go take a break, think this through, and come back. I don't feel like talking right now. Someone's watching. See if I go to YouTube. I can see the lag on this. Um, okay. Anyways, so items left. Yeah. So just adding the number of items left and the number of people who have uh, the number of ratings, basically. Here. And maybe here also. That's like just nonsense. I think number of items left is the most important thing to add. I'm just gonna go here. The items are, and just do like NB items equals 5, let's say. And then I have to do this for all of them. I think this one is the last one, hopefully. Yeah. So I can shut this. And inside the item, NB items. I'm just gonna add it here also, inside my props. And then display it, obviously. Yeah, and the update is gonna happen here. Oh, plus I have the event manager, so that's gonna be an easy one. So I'm gonna subscribe to the event was currency change. Here I'm gonna get the currency, and then yeah, what else do I want to do? Right under the name, I'm just gonna do a H, just a P, I guess, or a div. And it's gonna have the NB items with like only NB item left. Yeah, and then that's good enough, I guess. And let's do C. Make sure that we're getting it onto the side of the okay. So first of all, I'm gonna change this, and I should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 atoms shown in the console. Nope, none. So I think navbar, change currency. Yeah, I miss. Yeah, this, and then only 5 left. Maybe give this a class of items left, and then and this is gonna be inside here, I think. Still item, yeah. So inside here, I'm gonna say that items left is gonna have a font size smaller, and then get like this color. Yeah. Only 5 left. Maybe like a margin top of 0.1 EM, just to push it a little bit. Yeah, this is good. And now if I change this, let's just implement it actually. So instead of saying C here, I'm gonna get the price, which is this thing. I'm just gonna do this, inner text equals C. Done. Yeah, and import this here. Good to go. So if I change this to Juno, all of those change, and I have to propagate this around. That's like fine. Yeah, and I think here we have to do like fetch new price, basically. Because we cannot treat the value, basically is going to change. This thing, yeah. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. I don't even know if I can do this. Let's see. Okay. Good. Next. What did we do? Items left. It's done. Yeah, we'll have to have a way to update the amount of items left. For now, we can just leave it like this. Connect wallet and image gallery. I think I'm gonna go with image gallery. I'm trying to avoid the wallet connection so badly. And get address. What's the time? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this morning. Get address, image gallery. This afternoon, I go with connect wallet, and then do the whole get items, buy item, review item, review item is going to be open. Yes. Oh yeah, I can get the reviews very easily. Actually, the number of reviews. Um, I didn't think about that. So because I have reviews here, I can just do. So inside the rating, I'll just do a div instead of having it like this. A div, and then throw on a span, and which is gonna have parentheses and then reviews length. If that's how you write length. Then hopefully that works well. Let's see. Yeah, 4 0. Oh yeah, and do string, because for some reason yeah, this is good. Let's give this a class of writing with number, and then do this and make it a bit better. Yeah. Rating number, and inside my item here, I'm just gonna say display flex, align item center, and justify content, space between. No, not space between. I don't care about space between. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Maybe do like item. So instead of doing just do string and then pad start with like what max is 2 and then zeros. No, I don't think this is interesting. I'm just gonna give the span the one that is immediately inside it. Margin left of 1 EM and this color. So if I check this, yeah, this looks somewhat good, I guess. 4 reviews, blah blah blah. If I click here, I need to get this thing again back inside here. So right under the title. This is good. Yeah. So I have my images, my name, and right under my name, the name. I'll just add uh, yeah, reviews length here. No props nd items, and it's gonna be inside a div uh, with the class of items left, and then a div, and then say only x left. So the 5 left here, only 5 left. The same, the reviews, add to cart. Cool. And then depending on the number, we can disable the add to cart button. Okay. Image gallery. So this thing, I think I'm gonna make. Should I make the image like a nudge smaller? I don't know. Okay. This is gonna image gallery or get address. Let's go to Dribble and get some inspiration. Yeah, I was thinking about something like this. Find address and then add a new one. Choose location. Yeah, no. So the address thing is gonna show up here. So if I add, why I can't add more than 2 because I'm checking on the title here. Oh yeah, no, I can add this one too. So let's say like the average person is gonna have what, 20 things. Not even the average, like this is, I'm going on the, like 5 things, let's say, for 5. Yeah, so I think I can just add the address right underneath the total, select address. If there is no address, we just input some like simple. And I find Yeah, I'm just gonna do one line address. I don't care, like a one thing for the address. Um, as simple as that, like a text array with the address. And then if the person doesn't know the address, then we can always like send them back the money. The positive thing is that it's on the Atom blockchains, Atom related blockchains. So the fees are like usually so cheap that you can like with no problem send back uh, what you receive if there is need. So that's the positive point. So I'm gonna take a break and then be back in some time, I guess. I didn't do much again. Um, just gonna propagate. I think when I come back, I'll propagate all the info around, like make the front behave as closely to production ready as possible. Um, but I think I have to like focus out a little bit and start working on the back end. It's not that hard because I have the idea of like what my um, REST API is gonna look like, somewhat like. Plus, I have to check how to use the Kepler wallet so that I can like send stuff and play around. So thank you for tuning in.